Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect FXCM to TradingView in 2026. In order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. Afterwards, simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, click on the option of the search icon here on the top. Now from the given tabs here on the top, you can click on the option of Forex. It is going to show you all of the list of those pairs which you can basically launch here in TradingView. So as you can see, we have FXCM chart and this is the chart of Euro USD. So click on the option of launch chart in front of you. Now, once the chart is launched in front of you, simply click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. Now use the search bar on the top right hand corner. Then you need to simply search for FXCM. Now when you are able to find the FXCM icon or the logo over here, you need to first of all click on it. Then it will ask whether you want to log in into your FXCM live account or a demo account. So make sure that you select the right tab. So let's say I want to open the FXCM demo account here. So that's why I've selected the demo tab. Afterwards, click on the option of connect. Now it is going to redirect you here on the sign in page where you need to provide your username and your password associated with your FXCM account. Here when you click on the option of sign in, it may ask you for the authentication. So you just have to authorize TradingView here and simply establish the connection. So this way you will be able to connect FXCM to TradingView in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.